Rob Allen from the Johnson Controls Business Conference, and I'm joined by Scott Folland. He's going to go over here and talk to us about our packaged VAV systems and everything we need to know about them. Thanks so much, Scott.
Thanks, Rob. Appreciate it. Yeah, good deal. So on the VAV side, what's available is the full breadth of VAV product families. We've got the single duct, what we're showing here, single duct cooling only, and with hot water reheat. We've got the full breadth of dual duct, single duct with electric heat. We've got the fan powered series in parallel, all with the opportunity or the option to get it with factory mounted FX controllers. Wired, factory mounted, wired. If you wanted, we could get it addressed as well. The downloading is something we're going to work on, and that's something in the future, so we can get all the parameters in it. So anyway, available to you, the Johnson brand, nice product line, all ready to ship, and we'll show you the next thing, how just to kind of make a quick selection with the selection tool.
Perfect, excellent. All right, tell us about the selection tool.
Okay, thank you, Rob. What I wanted to show here was the tool by which you would select, size select, order the VAV boxes. So the way you do it is it's web select as a program. I just showed you a few things here. You would pull up here and you can just see all projects. All projects would be a listing of all your projects available, and any project that either I created or somebody else gave me access to, which is kind of a feature of this. You got 5 people in your office, you do a job, you want to give me access to it, you can do that by virtue of giving me certain allowances to view your project. You can have an engineering consultant that you give them access to web select. They'll see everything you see except for pricing. They give you access to it, you go in there, you see pricing, you give them a quote. So it's very nice.
That's really neat.
Just real quick, here, let's just key on one of these projects. We'll do ABCS conference. I made some example selections here. You can see single duct, electric, hot water. Obviously you would not have the same job, but you get an idea. Cooling only, electric, you got your min-max CFMs, and we created an order, it'll show it. And now let's say we wanted to do a submittal. So on the submittal, you can come over here and kick out, I already pre-kicked it out, but you would have a submittal. It would go and search and find all those PDF submittal documents that you would want. In this case, it's a left-hand and right-hand arrangement. If it had a hot water coil, it would show those document submittals that show the tube outs, the coil tube outs for your pipe fitter, where they're going to put everything. On the same note, you would want a schedule typically. You could go and kick out a submittal schedule. It gives you it in the expected schedule layout. And then if you wanted to, more than likely you do, with schedules, you're going to go out here, you're going to export it to either an Excel, PDF, or Word, and then put it in your customized logos, company logos, fashion it up how you respond to that customer. And so if I did go to Excel, it would then kick it out on Excel, and just to show you, it would then go out to Excel, and then I could print that out. So that's web selected in a real quick nutshell.
That's really cool. That's awesome. Now, can we get the controllers on these as well?
Yes, you can. You can get them factory mounted, the controllers, and let me show you how you do that.
Is missing disappearing mouse.
There it is. So on, here we go. Let's make a selection. So let's say we kicked on this one. There we go. That one was already part of an order, that's why it didn't open up.
Cool.
So here we go. We go to unit. As you can see, it's all the min-max CFM, heating, cooling. Here's the heating side, how many rows, and all that. Typical stuff you need to do when you're sizing it. You go to sound. If it's any sound criteria, you would fill that out. Here's where you were asking about, Rob. So you want FX DDC by Johnson. What kind is it? It's the back net. What kind of heat? You would pick it. Is it hot water heat? You got a hot water coil, you're going to pick that.